The Paperfox DK-6 Box Making machine can be fixed to the workbench with a screw clamp. Calculate how you will cut the boxes from the corrugated cardboard. The desired cutting size can be set using the adjusting screw and centimeter scale. Set the DK-6 box making machine to cutting mode. Cut the corrugated board into pieces of the required size. Set the DK-6 box making machine to perforating mode. Perforate the sides for easier folding. After changing the tool, notches are made to help the box fold. Finally, the small notches are made. The box can then be folded and stapled or glued.
More than 30 years of expertise in producing print finishing machines. More than 10,000 produced devices. More than 300 custom solutions. More than 6,000 customers from more than 50 countries around the globe. And all of this has been achieved by a passionate, very small enterprise in Hungary. So our website is definitely worth visiting: www.paperfox.eu.